In this video, we'll look into editing group of home tab. So we got this data. I'll select this column and go to the editing group, find and select, find. I'll type Chrome, find next. So it has found the Chrome data. So if I change it to find new arc, find next. So it has found that new arc. And now you can as well replace it. If you want find what and then replace with, you can replace it. Close. Now I'll select this column. Now go to the sort and filter. Before sort and filter, let us see this go to. I want to go to the column A and row 7. So I can just type the reference here, column A, row 7, A7. Okay. So it will take me to that row. Column A and row 7 is row. Now let us see this sort and filter. So I'll select the column A, sort and filter, sort A to Z, and there is expand the selection or continue with the current selection. So this gives a problem, continue with the current selection, because it won't sort the B column corresponding to the A column. So I'll show that and select this continue with the current selection and then sort. So here there are two issues. One is the header city is also sorted, and the other issue is this city is in UK, Delhi is in USA. So we got this column B has not been sorted according to the column A. So let me undo this. I click here, undo sort. So we go back to this original position. So to recognize this as a header and don't sort, it should be a different something different for this. So I'll change the font. I'll select both of these and make it bold so that Excel will recognize it as a header. Now I'll select this column A and then go to sort and filter, sort A to Z, A to Z, and then expand the selection. Click on sort. Now the header is as it is, city and country, and this data has been sorted. P, D, L, N, or W. So this is in that sorting order. So Berlin is in Germany, Delhi is in India, London is in UK, New York is in USA, Paris in France, Rome is Italy, Washington USA. So this country column has also correspondingly got sorted according to the column A. So when you select this column and then when you sort it, you have to use this expand the selection so that all the other columns also will get sorted correspondingly. Now let us sort this reverse, C to A. So I selected this column and go to editing group, sort and filter, sort C to A. Click on this and expand the selection, sort. So now Washington, Rome, Paris, New York, London, Delhi, and Berlin. So it has sorted in the reverse order, and the correspondingly the column B has also got sorted because we have chosen the expand the selection here. So here we have chosen this expand the selection. So column B has also correspondingly got sorted according to the column A. Now let us look into custom sort. So here we have the months and the profits. April 10, June 20, May 30, March 40, 5th, and Jan 60. So here I can't sort this column according to the calendar months, because if I sort it, I can sort it by alphabetical order. A to Z or Z to A. So if I want to sort it by the calendar months, then I have to use the custom sort. So after sorting, we want to compare the data. So I copied this data in a text document. So April, I got this April 10, June 20, May 30, March 40, Feb 50, Jan 60. So let us now select somewhere in this column. I selected this cell and go to sort and filter, click on custom sort, and we are sorting by the month column, and we are sorting on cell values, and sort order is custom list. Here we will give the right order: Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. Click OK. OK. So now this is sorted in the custom sort: Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. Let us see whether these values we got it correct or not. So let us compare it with this. So for Jan it is 60. So Jan it is 60, Feb it is 50, March is 40, April it is 10, and May is 30, and June is 20. So it has correspondingly sorted this profit column also according to this sort. So it has expanded the selection. So here that's how we can use this custom sort. Now we'll look into filter. So I can filter any of these columns. So let me select this column first, column A, and then click on sort and filter and click on filter. So now I'm able to filter from here. So I'll just uncheck these blanks. I'll uncheck May and March so that only April, Feb, Jan and June are selected. If I press OK, then only Jan, Feb, April and June are selected. So the data for March and May is not showing now. So that's how we can filter the data according to this requirement. So for profit also, if I want to, let me undo this. So we will go back to the original position. Now I'll click on the profit and I'll click on sort and filter. So I'm able to select this here. So I can unselect all, just select 20 and 30 and click OK. So 20 and 30 showed up. For this, for May is 30 and June is 20. So here we can use this filter to create a filter button here, so that in the data we can filter whatever data we require and analyze on that data. We can insert rows and columns in between this data. So I can just click here and right click and then say insert. So a row will be created here. So if I want to insert a column, I can click here, right click and then say insert. So a column can be inserted this way. So that's how you can insert rows and columns the data.